visittemples.com is a divine website which tells you everything about a particular temple. We have a Google map for you to make you reach the temple on time. We have a weather forecast to plan your trip accordingly, and there's also a video link for you to have a glimpse of the temple. Today, I am going to tell you about Sri Ranganatha Swamy Temple in Rangasthala, which is located in the outskirts of Chikkaballapur. Rangasthala is also called as Thippenahalli or Dinnehosahalli. This place gains prominence since Sri Ranganatha Swamy Temple, which is supposed to be the gateway to liberation or a Moksha Sthala, is located here. It is believed that the Saptarishis had initially installed the idol of Sri Ranganatha Swamy here and started worshipping it. In the later years, the Hoysala rulers have been said to have built this temple in such a grand style. This temple has a massive seven-tiered south-facing Rajagopuram. To the front of this, there is a four-pillared Mandapam, on top of which is a huge Garudalwar Idol. A beautiful colored idol of Anantha Sayana Ranganathar is seen embedded within the Rajagopuram. Anterior to this Rajagopuram are two massive pillars, and in each one of them a Dwara Baalakas is seen standing guard. On entering the temple, there is a huge Garudalwar idol overlooking the Moolasthanam. Likewise, there is a huge Anjaneyar idol too overlooking the Moolasthanam, and close to these two idols are two different subshrines for various Naga Devathas. On top of the multi-pillared Mandapam, which houses the Sanctum Sanctorum, there are various types of colored idols depicting the Dasavadaram. There are three Dvajastambhams, and in one of the stone Dvajastambham, an idol of Anjaneyar is embossed. Close to this place are three pair of divine feet. Devotees have to climb 4 to 5 steps to reach the multi-pillared Mandapam, and on either side of these steps there are two elephant idols which are beautifully placed. There is a Garudalwar Sannadhi facing the Moolasthanam. In the Sanctum Sanctorum, the presiding deity of Sri Ranganatha Swamy is seen south-facing and in a Sayana Kolam. The Adiseshan or the five-headed serpent is seen guarding him. Sri Ranganatha Swamy is flanked by his consorts Sri Devi and Bhudevi. The beauty of the Moolasthanam is that the entire Moolavar has been made out of a single Shaligramam, and this is the reason as to why he is mentioned as Eka Shila. Another important aspect of this temple is that the devotees are allowed to circumambulate the Moolavar from within, for which they have provided sufficient space. The Sanctum Sanctorum has been built in such a way that the sun rays coming from the east falls on the feet of Sri Ranganatha Swamy on Makara Shankaranthi day, and many consider this as an engineering marvel. To the left of the Moolasthana Mandapam, the idols of Urchavar are neatly displayed. The south-facing Tayar Sannadhi of Mahalakshmi is located on the right while entering the temple. This shrine has an idol of Aandal on top of it. Apart from the main Rajagopuram, this temple has three miniature Rajagopurams on the north, west and south. Due to the extreme monkey menace, the entire Moolasthana Mandapam has been neatly grilled and the surface has been tiled with granite slabs. In Sri Rangapatna, Karnataka, Ranganatha Swamy is called as Adhi Ranga. He is Madhya Ranga in Shimsha, Karnataka, and Anthiya Ranga in Sri Rangam, Tamil Nadu. He is called as Moksha Ranganathar in Rangasthalam Chikkaballapur. This temple has ample vehicular parking outside the Rajagopuram, and cars and buses could be parked here with effortless ease. Devotees have to be extra cautious with their kids and belongings since monkey menace is at its peak here and unstoppable. To know more finer details about the temple, viewers can log into www.visittemples.com and get more details about this temple, and they can also read it in their vernacular language for which facilities have been added. This is Raghavchari on behalf of visittemples.com. I thank you all for watching this video.